Zombie movies have got it all wrong. The concern isn't a zombifying virus giving dead people the brain munchies. The concern is parasites, nature's real zombies. Here are 7 of the most shocking examples of bona fide zombie-ism in the animal world. Watch on, and try not to scream. 1. Zombie spider. The Costa Rican female parasitoid wasp Hymenopomyces argyrophaga does more than sting, it completely takes over its host spider Leucage argyra. To do this, the wasp paralyzes its host and lays its eggs on the spider's abdomen. The newly hatched larva not only feeds off the spider by sucking its blood, but also injects a chemical that makes the spider build a special web. This web is strong enough to hold a wasp cocoon until the larva reaches maturity. 2. Cockroach. The jewel wasp uses a larger cockroach as its host. To gain its compliance, the wasp stings it with a paralysis-inducing toxin. A second venomous sting to the host's head disables its escape reflex. The wasp then chews off the roach's antennae and pulls its host back to its nest, where it lays its egg on the roach's stomach and leaves. The wasp larva hatches and feeds off the cockroach, chewing its way into the abdomen and forming a cocoon. The larva eventually grows to maturity within its host's body. 3. Caterpillar. The Glyptopanthes wasp uses caterpillar as the host for its eggs. This wasp infects the caterpillar with a virus that impairs its immune system, which doesn't kill the caterpillar and allows the wasp's eggs to survive. The caterpillar serves not only as the food source for the larva, but a bodyguard as well. The virus permanently halts the caterpillar's development, and the host even spins its own cocoon around the pupating wasps. 4. Deer. Chronic wasting disease, or CWD, is a deadly infectious disease in deer that has been unofficially dubbed zombie deer disease. Symptoms of the disease, which can take more than a year to develop, include drastic weight loss, lack of coordination, listlessness, drooling, excessive thirst or urination, drooping ears, lack of fear of people and aggression. Those symptoms, coupled with CWD's ability to spread easily through contaminated bodily fluids, has led to the zombie moniker. Scientists aren't sure if CWD will cross over and infect humans. People are likely eating meat from infected deer, and as time goes on, the likelihood of the disease impacting humans increases, according to Michael Osterholm, director of the Center for Infectious Disease Research and Policy at the University of Minnesota. 5. Zombie ant. Ophiocordyceps fungi species are known as zombie ant fungi because they alter the behavior of ants and other insects. Ants that become infected by the parasite exhibit abnormal behavior such as randomly walking around and falling down. The parasitic fungus grows inside the ant's body and brain, affecting muscle movements and central nervous system function. The fungus causes the ant to seek out a cool, damp place and bite down on the underside of a leaf. This environment is ideal for the fungus to reproduce. Once the ant bites down on the leaf vein, it is unable to let go as the fungus causes the ant's jaw muscles to lock. The fungal infection kills the ant and the fungus grows through the ant's head. The growing fungal stroma has reproducing structures that produce spores. Once the fungal spores are released, they spread and are picked up by other ants. This type of infection could potentially wipe out an entire ant colony. 6. Zombie rats. The single-celled parasite Toxoplasma gondii infects animal cells and causes infected rodents to exhibit unusual behavior. Rats, mice, and other small mammals lose their fear of cats and are more likely to fall to predation. Infected rodents not only lose their fear of cats, but also appear to be attracted to the odor of their urine. Toxoplasma gondii alters the rat's brain, causing it to become sexually excited at the smell of cat urine. The zombie rodent will actually seek out a cat and get eaten as a result. Having been consumed by the cat eating the rat, Toxoplasma gondii infects the cat and reproduces in its intestines. Toxoplasma gondii causes the disease toxoplasmosis, which is common in cats. Toxoplasmosis can also be spread from cats to humans. In humans, Toxoplasma gondii commonly infects body tissues such as skeletal muscle, heart muscle, the eyes, and brain. People with toxoplasmosis sometimes experience mental diseases such as schizophrenia, depression, bipolar disorder, and anxiety syndrome. 7. Zombie cicada. The Massipora fungus contains psychoactive compounds and rapidly consumes infected cicadas' butts, abdomens, and genitals. Despite that, the insect's libido skyrockets, and they try to mate with everything they encounter, the researchers said. For more interesting facts, Stay with us, subscribe and turn on the notification by simply tapping the bell icon and selecting all. See you soon with a new video.